Ladies and gentlemen, we have been allotted 15 minutes for this session, but I can assure you this 15 minutes is going to be a turning point. Thank you very much for your attention. Those who are standing, may I kindly request you to settle down?
A warm welcome to one and all present here. I'm going to start off by introducing a gentleman. He started his career at a very young age. At the age of 16, along with his studies, he was also working and supporting his family. He came to Delhi for higher education, worked with various companies like ZTV and a few companies like the Business Quality System Implementation ISO 9000. He also started an event management company and has raised funds through the events and activities for ActionAid, Indian Society, Hope Foundation and many more. He is a philanthropist by heart and action. Throughout his childhood, he has been helping the poor and needy, and during pandemic, he and his family has supported hundreds of families and kids with food packets, oxygen cylinders. He has worked with one of the best brands like Cambro and has single-handedly built a company named T&S in India. He has great ideas and plans and a greater responsibility towards making this world a better place. And he is none other than my father, Mr. Rajesh Chaudhary. Can we have a round of applause for him?
What joy can a father get than being introduced by his own daughter? My daughter is all of 17 and she's very talented. Her target is to go to MIT. So, as a good father, I feel it's my duty to see that my daughter reaches US and studies and makes a career out of herself. So, you heard that, there are a lot of things that we want to do in life, and a few other things that I have done in my life, like throughout my life I've been doing a lot of philanthropy. So this idea that I am going to unveil today is also in those lines, and then the idea is to really make a difference not only in the lives of people associated, but also to bring about a change in the industry. So I would like Mr. Shravan Kumar to give an introduction to what we are doing, and he's the person behind this. And then we will unveil this, and then I'll share more information and details about this. So Shravan sir, you could come.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We've been working on this idea for a few years now. There has been a latent requirement that all consultants collaborate come together for the betterment of profession as well as betterment of the industry. Step by step, the thought process has been evolving, and it got concluded 20 days ago again in Gurgaon, and now we are here. We'll go ahead. We'll learn a little more about this association once it is officially launched. May we have the stalwarts of the consulting profession step forward for unveiling this association and launching it, please. I saw
all the
Avinash Garg a while here.
All the consultants, please
Can
come up.
Vijay Mohan Bimbe. I saw Marian D'Souza. Please.
All the consultants will please come up, and then may
Can we
request.
have all of you here, please? Sadanand,
May I request Chef
all
Gil,
my colleagues.
Saurish ji,
Chef,
and Rajiv ji to
please.
please come up and unveil.
These two come. Naresh ji, please. We want, this is a cumulative effort. This is not any one person or one institution. This is an effort at uniting the entire profession of consultants. It is a joint effort. It is an activity where, come, backward ji aaiye. Don't hesitate, please step forward. All feet up. Rahul, please come. Are we missing out anybody, please? There's an open invitation to all consultants. We know very few of them, but I know a lot more are here. Please do step forward. Let's make it a good occasion and a big event.
This is for the consultants and by the consultants. So all consultants, please come up on stage. May I now request Chef Gil to unveil?
Vijay Mohanji, we want you on this. Hooray! Hooray! Hooray!
I think it's a long-awaited association, and association is very important for any profession to grow each other and to grow the overall fraternity and the overall business of consultancy of quality. So it was very important, and I wish all the best. And I see that the consultancies, the standard of the food and beverage and other areas like laundry and all that will achieve the much higher benchmarks. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Chef. We will cherish these moments. We'll value your advice very strongly. Even 20 days ago, you gave us a piece of advice. We are implementing it, and you will see it progressing.
Thank you
We
so
have
much.
a few words from our senior stalwarts. Can we have Mr. Avinash Garg? Naresh ji, kahan hai aap? Please start blessing the association. Then the younger generation will take over.
Hello. Good evening, everybody.
Welcome everybody.
I think this is a fantastic idea, and all of us who've been in consulting for 30 years plus, we have to give whatever we have learned. Hello. Yeah. So what I was saying that all of us who have been in the industry for 30 years plus, 25 years plus, and now we have these youngsters. I mean, you can see a lot of them. I think we need to inculcate the values and make sure that they are doing the right things.
Welcome everybody. I take this great pride in the association being formed and under the strength of our best friend Rajesh Chaudhary. This is the best thing that he could have done for our hotel industry. Upgrading every part and every component of the industry to be of international standards. This association can move forward and work together with a knowledge bank which can be shared with everybody in the industry, which can benefit our industry in such a way that we stand out proud among all the leaders and consultants in the world. No foreign consultant can henceforth come forward and say that we are not aware of A, the equipment, the kind of finishes, the standards of hygiene, the standards of safety, and the quality of the end product which is going to be there, which is going to be in the benefit of feeding the populace of India and all the tourists who come here. We take this up as a challenge and work together, not just me or my other colleagues who have worked with me, but even other colleagues all over the country should benefit with all our knowledge jointly pulled together. Thank you, Rajesh ji. Really appreciate this.
I want to make an announcement. Today is Rajesh's birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rajesh. Happy birthday to you.
May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Rajesh.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Hello. Hello. Can you all hear me? I think the testimony of the association is just proved. Individually, if we sing, I'm sure none of you would have been here. But collectively, when we sang Happy Birthday, it was appreciated by everybody. So I think it was a very
strong requirement of all the consultants coming together. We set some standards which are going to be even better than the international standards in terms of the consultancy, in terms of the designing, in terms of as the colleague architect or the consultants have talked about the equipment, hygiene, etc. So I promise that I will have a very active participation as and when required. You can rely on my help, and I'm sure that with the association now, we are going to prove ourselves to be one of the best in the whole world. So globally, India is going to have a lot of bigger say and a voice in the hospitality industry. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
And I would request Naresh ji to.
Good evening, how are you doing? It's a very great opportunity which we are collecting through Mr. Rajesh, and we are waiting for this opportunity where we have to gather together and make a good platform for the consultancy prospects. And we wish we will definitely go further and give a good platform to this organizations. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. Thank you for being here. Would like to wish FCSI also a happy birthday today. Friends, this was one sector that was not very organized and was scattered, having a lot of stalwarts at various places. But now I think getting together and having knowledge sharing will help all of us and the fraternity, not only in India, possibly globally. So we wish to strongly take this forward and ensure that this quality that we are talking about goes down the line into the industry and helps the industry. Thanks so much to Rajesh for getting this together, and congratulations to all of them. Thank you.
I had the opportunity to go to London and give the Certified Food Service Professionals exam. It was done on the background. There were a couple of occasions where I had to face up with the customers and they asked me, what's your background? And I really did not have an answer because we are all homegrown. There was nothing that stood by us either as an association or as a formal training that could identify us that we were meant to do what we were doing. And I really thank Rajesh for having taken this opportunity and having brought us at a stage where today we can say we are a voice that we represent the industry in a certain format. Thank you, Rajesh, for this.
Good afternoon, everybody. I think on behalf of all the consultants, I think we'd like to thank Rajesh. It's been a phenomenal effort. It's been out of the world. I mean, I think getting an association, it's taken years for this opportunity to happen. And hopefully over the next few years, we'll be able to be a force to be reckoned with, and we will be at par with all the best consultants in the world. You know, I think that's what we should aim at. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody.
Good afternoon. Let me congratulate Rajesh for his birthday. And the day he has started this kind of a fraternity, it is wonderful. I think we can set a base norms in the Indian industry as far as hospitality is concerned. And I think most of my colleagues has expressed, and this is a best platform for the development of the future industry. So base norms, base standards, and I think best returns for the industry. That will be a good for the all. Thank you.
Please.
We recognize the arrival of Mr. Imtiaz Mistry. May we request you to kindly join us on dais.
Welcome, Imtiaz. Happy birthday, Rajesh. So glad that you took the initiative. And it's a wonderful moment for all of us. And with years and hundreds of years of experience from my senior colleagues who are well-famed industry consultants and designers, what my submission is, I think they should write a lot of articles, share knowledge paper for the future generation, so that this association will carry the legacy forward and they would benefit immensely. Thank you.
first of all, apologies for being late. It's nice to be here, and I must congratulate Rajesh and his team on this historic occasion. We've needed an association like this for many years, and I hope it will be a big success and everyone will contribute and join, and it will serve a lot of purposes. Thank you.
Hi, I would like to thank Rajesh for taking the effort for forming this association, which was been required for some time now, and that's all. Just want to say thank you.
Rahul.
Sure. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a wonderful platform for youngsters like us. Having a knowledge transfer happening from the leaders of the industry who are right by my side on both my sides, and it's a great honor to be here. And thank you, Rajesh, and wish you a happy birthday.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. We are very proud of this association. We have homegrown, as rightly said by Mr. Marian. This association will help us to get all our consultants, as we are standing rightly in one platform, having a good knowledge sharing session with them. And as rightly we have grown under Mr. Shani, I am sure we'll be able to do a much better job, understand this business very well. And I thank Mr. Rajesh for getting this forum right and helping all our consultants to come together in one platform. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Rajesh.
Thank you. Mr. Sanjeev.
Good evening, everyone. It's a great moment to form such an association where people can recognize us, and I'm really thankful to Rajesh ji for doing a wonderful job. Thank you so much.
Now the youngest consultant who has designed 24/7 kitchen, Ayush Gar.
Thank you so much.
He's the youngest consultant.
Thank you so much. I am blessed to be on a platform with so many great consultants. And as a young guy who's starting, this is very necessary to maintain industry standards so that we can compare with the rest of the world. And thank you so much, Rajesh ji, for making this association and make us a part of us. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Is Avinash Anand around? Avinash Anand? What? He's also one of the youngest. Boss.
Hi everyone. This is Avinash Hi everyone. This is Avinash representing Opstra Consulting, and we are very new. It's almost 4 years now that we have started separate firm, basically, which is majorly into the southern part of India. We are taking care of southern part of India.
Thank you, everyone. Right now, I would like to call upon stage. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Chef.
He's requesting a picture. Okay, I would like to thank I would like to take this opportunity to thank a few people without whose support this event wouldn't have been successful. And this is not all. We are also going to have a gala dinner right here. It's going to be a launch party. So I would like to call upon stage Varun from Swastik, Mr. Uni Krishnan from SG Equipments, team from Rhineck, Mr. Sameer Sopti, Vipul Jain from Melange, Pratik will you represent your wife? Pratik Gaikwad. Chef mate, Mr. Prabhu. Krishna Thakur and Hariram Thakur, if you are around. They were about to reach. I don't know if they reached. Hiral Manglu. Anybody from Wine Professionals? The Blue Star team. Blue Star team. Gas Vigil. Representative from Gas Vigil. And Mr. Rajiv Sachdeva from Hacks. Come. So, yeah, the Blue Star team, please come up. So, gentlemen, there's a lady who also owns a company represented by her husband. So, it was all done in 2 days, thanks to a lot of consultants who supported and helped. And also, I would like to call upon a very dear friend. I'm sorry, I missed out calling him. Mr. Nitin Shankar Nagrali, if he's around. Please come. Let's clap for him. I was inspired by him to do this. Before we start, I would like Mr. Nitin to say a few words.
Thank you. First of all, happy birthday. Rajesh has on purpose chosen this day, I think, because he could have done this on 25th or 26th also, but he wants this to be remembered forever. जब तक आपकी association रहेगी, तब तक इनका birthday रहेगा. So, yeah. So there was a thought which came into the minds of several consultants a few months ago, and I was actually involved in helping them to set it up. And I'm really happy that I was involved in the virtual launch and today the physical launch. So one advice which I would like to give you, it's easy to create associations, but it's difficult to maintain and manage. There will be rivalry, there will be sabotage, there will be people who would want to create their own association, but please stay together. All of you will have to stay together, hold each other's hands and grow together. This could be a largest association in India or maybe in the world.
In the world.
So it has to be called as global. I'm very happy that you're not starting with a region. It's a nationwide organization, and this definitely can take all of us to the next level. Your objective should be networking, passing information, knowledge, best practices. If you do that without any self-praise or self-benefit, then I'm sure you'll be doing a wonderful job. And this is what a hospitality purchasing manager is based on. So do well, good luck to all of you, and I'm really happy that I'm part of this physical association.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I would like to make an announcement before I could hand over the mic to every sponsor to speak. The MSME team was here, and then I happened to meet them. They were here for the inauguration. So I'm called to meet them on Monday, and they want to be associated, and they want to associate us with them. So a recognition by the Government of India, by the Ministry of MSME. So can we all clap for it? Thank you. So like I said, it wouldn't have been possible without the support of the sponsors, and it all happened in 2 days. I would like each one of you to just say a few words, and then you get again to speak in the evening to talk more about your company. So please introduce yourself and why you have associated yourself with this association, and your support to the association. So thank you so much. So
good afternoon, everyone. My name is Pratik Gaikwad, and most of you might know me as someone from the kitchen line of work. However, today I'm representing my wife. So we were in Bangalore, and we had visited Rajesh sir, and he had encouraged my wife, to take the furniture business. We were mostly into B2B towards more of a retail and the hotel segment. So since then, it's been a very good journey. We've been able to do a lot of good projects. Just in the past 1 year, I think we've been tendering to almost on an average of 5 to 20 crore worth of projects for the furniture industry. And I think we're very proud to be associated. And thank you so much for having us, sir, as a part of this thing. Thank you.
As they have a shortage of time, please be very brief. Thank you.
I am Unnikrishnan from SD Equipments and Machines Private Limited, Bangalore. Actually, I am very happy to be a part of this association and very thankful to Mr. Rajesh Chaudhary for giving an opportunity to sponsor this event. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations, Rajesh, and a happy birthday. 500 years of cumulative experience in this hall of technical talent. I consider the consultants more like, our mentors, because when we have worked with each one of them, we have only grown. And thank you so much, all of you, for standing by us all this time, last 20 years. Thank you.
Hello everybody, this is Varun Shah from Swastik Synergy. We make kitchen fire suppression systems, and when I spoke to Rajesh ji and a lot of consultants who are a part of this, all of them have actually helped me, mentored me, and I'm still very young, and just to be a part of this industry is a big pleasure, and very happy to be a part of the launch event of this association. Thank you.
And Varun Bhai was the first one to support, so let's give him a big hand. And he only motivated others to be a part of this. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. This is Nirdosh Sharma from Rhineck India Limited. We have been serving the industry with cold chain solutions and clean construction solutions for over 25 years. It's a pleasure to be a part of this event. I want to congratulate Mr. Rajesh Chaudhary and the entire brains behind the conception of this organization, FSCAI. And I believe this would serve as a platform to collaborate, where all the stakeholders collaborate to share ideas, to share information, and bring in new innovative and technologically advanced products and solutions which would be more efficient and commercially feasible. I look forward to working closely with FSCI and every member of FSCI, and I wish all the best to the organization moving ahead. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Vipul Jain from Melange, Bangalore, and I would like to congratulate Rajesh ji for bringing such an amazing platform where all the consultants have come together and also given an opportunity to vendors like us who could do all the OS&D supplies. So eventually this will help us, lessen the gap in terms of the execution of the project. Whatever is designed in mind will be executed better with this association. So all the best and look forward to working with you all. Thank you.
Hi, good evening everyone. My name is Samir Sopti. I'm from Apex Kitchen Solutions. We do turnkey kitchen projects, and we count on the experience, on the intelligence, on the tenders which are designed by all these excellent consultants. Rajesh called me. By the way, happy birthday again, Rajesh. Rajesh called me and told me that we are making this consultants association, and you know what? The first thing I said was, I want to be part of it. Simple, that's it. Just count me in, made my decision in like 5 minutes. I hope this association keeps on growing, more consultants keep on coming in. I've always said one thing, whatever is there in the mind does not have that much value in India. I hope that value is much more better understood in India, like the way it is internationally. I wish this association all the very best. Thanks.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Raghav Sachdeva representing my company Hacks. Hacks is a kitchen equipment company based in Delhi. So we are a 4-year firm, and I think I'm the youngest one over here. So I take pride in that, and it's a privilege to be a part of this association. And Mr. Rajesh ji, a very happy birthday to you. I hope this association makes you proud. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Sunil Rawat, and with my colleague Mayank Vadhavan and Abhay Kumar. First of all, we would like to thank you, Mr. Rajesh, for being give us chance to be associated with this event, and rest my colleague Abhay will tell us.
Good evening everyone. I am Abhay Kumar. We are from Blue Star. So we are very thankful to Mr. Rajesh and all of the people, all of the respective delegates over here. So we would like to have the opportunity to interact with all of you, with all respected delegates, everyone. So just for a quick introduction, we would like to introduce ourselves more than a engineering company more than a refrigeration company. So thank you very much, Rajesh. Thanks.
Okay, thank you everyone. Just the last one, they've just come in. And then what we do is we all meet again. Those who are invited, please join us for the dinner. We'll share more details and information because the whole evening is ours. I mean, sir, we need to hand them over. So just the last one.
Thank you so much. We are from International Equipment Company. I'm Hariram Thakur and he's my elder brother Krishna Kumar Thakur. We are into kitchen equipment since 10 years by IEC and we have done very much, all consultants, mainly we are into majorly imported equipment and now we have also started with the projects. So thank you so much Rajesh ji to organize wonderful sessions and this is really going to be very hit for the industry. This is really new things for our industry and this is going to be hit. Thank you so much Rajesh ji. Thank you so much. Thanks.
So thank you everyone. One picture and then we are off the stage. Thank you ma'am. Sorry for the delay.